Ielts reading test takes 60 minutes to complete. Ielts reading test consists of 3 or 4 reading paragraphs. To complete the test within the stipulated time, you're advised not to spend more than 20 minutes on each passage. This section has 40 questions, with each question carrying 1 point, and no negative marking for wrong answers. Types of questions in Ielts reading. There are different kinds of questions for each of the passages that appear in the Ielts reading examination. 1. Multiple choice questions. It has about 3 to 4 options. Here is a sample of a multiple choice question. 2. True or false, not given questions. Here is a sample of a true, false, not given question. These questions are very tricky. This question consists of several statements. If the statement is present in the article as it is, then you need to mark it as true. If the statement is found to be the opposite of the sentence, which is there, then it should be marked as false. If the statement given in the question is not at all present in the article, then it should be marked as not given. Don't spend a lot of time finding the sentence which is not there. 3. Yes and no, not given questions. Similar to the true or false, not given questions, yes and no, not given questions also have various statements. But here you are asked to agree or disagree with the statement based on the opinion of the author. 4. Matching questions. There are various types of matching questions in Ielts reading tests, and each one is different from another. Matching headings. A list of headings will be given, and you are asked to match these headings with a paragraph. Matching information. You are asked to find out the paragraph from which the information is taken. Matching features. For example, if there is a name of a person in the box of items, then the question may be to match the sentence with the person who said them. Matching sentence endings. In this type of question, you need to connect to halves of the sentences. 5. Sentence completion and short answer questions. And short answer questions are almost similar. In sentence completion, you'll be asked to fill in the blank spaces using the words given in the text. In short answers, you'll have to take words from the given text to write the short answers. 6. Note, table, diagram, and summary completion questions. Difference between academic reading and general training reading. Even though the time, question types, and number of questions given for both the sections remain the same, these sections do differ according to the tests taken. There are 3 sections in academic reading, while section 1 has 2 or 3 factual texts, which are about everyday life in an English-speaking country. In general reading, each section contains 1 long text in academic reading, while each section 2 has factual texts relating to work in general reading. Texts are taken from books, journals, magazines, newspapers in academic reading. But in general reading, each section 3 has 1 complex text on a general topic.